Okay, let's continue. Let's take a look at f, but then we're going to come up with 3 more ways to get to the same exact point. So for the letter f, it's going to be 2 pi over 3 and 4 places towards it. So 2 pi over 3, remember, is this line right here. Oh, goodness. It's this line right here. We're going to go 4 places from the pole towards 2 pi over 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is letter F. Now look, there's other ways to get to it, and it's pretty much a pattern. There's always going to be 2 positive R values and 2 negative R values. So we can always have this format. In fact, I can keep going down. That's a positive 2.5. There's one more way where 2.5 is positive. The other 2 ways are where 2.5 is negative. Let's go ahead and do that for the third row. Let's go ahead and start with -3 since -3 is printed on the problem. And then the last 2 are going to be +3. All right, let me show you how to get this. So remember, 4 means you're going towards an angle, but I already have it going towards a counterclockwise angle. Remember, I can count this way and still go towards it. So remember from part 1, we identified that 2 pi over 3 is the same as -4 pi over 3. Now don't feel like you have to remember that because you can just count by 6s. So I'm going to start here, but I'm going to go clockwise. 1 over 6, 2 over 6, 3 over 6, 4 over 6, 5 over 6, 6 over 6, 7 over 6, 8 over 6, which is going to simplify to -4 pi over 3. So another way to get to that point is -4 pi over 3. That's when I go towards it. Now remember, I can go away from an angle also. If letter F is considered away from something, then I need to focus on this angle down here. So the regular clockwise angle is going to be 5 pi over 3. Let's double check that. So here's the line for a 5 pi over 3. Is F 4 places in the opposite? Is it away from it? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, it is. So we know that's right. One more way to get that is to get the clockwise angle for this. So if I go down -1, -2, that is going to be the exact same as -pi over 6. Oh, that's over 3. That is over 3. So that's how we're going to do that. Let's go ahead and analyze letter G. All right, here we go. So the regular point for letter G, remember you look at the angle first, it's -3 over 4. So -1 over 4, -2 over 4, -3 over 4. So we're focused on this line right here. And we want to plot a dot towards -3 pi over 4, 2.5 places. There's 1, there's 2, so let's say 2.5 right here. So this is going to be G. All right, there's one more way to get that, which of course is going to be the clockwise angle. It is also 2 places towards 5 pi over 4, so let's write that down. All right, now we have our setup for away, which means we're focused on the other side of the line right here, which is the positive pi over 4. So we can write that down right now. Let's write pi over 4 because that's going to take you to the same spot. Here's pi over 4. Here's 2 point places in the opposite direction. The last way we're going to get it is a clockwise angle. So if you're noticing a pattern, it's positive, negative, positive, positive, negative, positive, and then negative, negative. All you're doing is just changing where your negative signs are to get all 4 of these ordered pairs. All right, so 2 places away from the negative angle, -0 over 4, -1 over 4, -2 over 4, -3 over 4, -4 over 4, -5 over 4, -6 over 4, -7 pi over 4. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at h. Let's locate 7 pi over 6, and let's go 3 places in the away from it. So 7 pi over 6 is this line right here. We're going to go 3 places away from it. So it's going to be right here. How else can it be 3 places away from it with a negative radian? So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is also negative 5 pi over 6. Okay, but what about going towards it? Well, look, right here, I know it's going towards pi over 6. So that can be a positive number. Now, what is pi over 6 in the clockwise direction? Going all the way around, it's negative 11 pi over 6. And that is how you graph these points.